Welcome! In front of me I have Samsung Galaxy S10 Lite, and today I will show you a couple camera tricks that you can use. Let's open the camera, and at the first, when we are in the photo mode, we can easily increase the brightness level. So when you tap and catch the focus on something, you can use this slider like that. You can make your photo more brighten or more darken, depending on what you want to get. Very simple. As you can see, we can also catch more things on the photo by using ultra wide angle, and we can quickly increase quality of our photo. We can get more details by going here and tapping. Wait a minute, let's move to the normal mode and moving for 3x4 by with 48 megapixel resolution. We can all use the timer by tapping here. So when you use, for example, this 2 seconds timer and click on the shutter, after 2 seconds the photo will be taken. We can also go for the video mode, and here we can quickly activate ultra steady mode to increase stability on our videos. We can also quickly increase video quality by going for these settings and going for highest resolution. Currently is set up as Full HD, but we can go for the 4K 30 frames per second or 4K 60 frames per second. I'm going for the last one. Let's go for the settings, and here we can also find a couple interesting options. For example, we can activate QR code scanner, so you don't have to download any external application from the Google Play Store. You can simply use your camera application. We get also here very interesting option. Sometimes when you hold your phone like that, you are not able to reach your shutter, right? But in the Samsung camera, you can make something like that, and you can move your shutter, as you can see. So take a look. Very useful, right? When you hold your phone like that, you can much easily take a photo instead of grabbing phone like that. Of course, you can remove it by going right here, and it will disappear. Let's go back to the settings, and when we are in the settings, we can go for the advanced recording options, and we can activate very useful feature, the match microphone zoom to the camera zoom when we are recording video. So worth to get it. Also the grid lines, when we activate the grid lines, we will get lines right here, and we can much easily make better composition on our photos. We can also add the watermark to our photos. So when you tap right here on the switcher and go for the customize, as you can see, it will be shot by HardReset. You can of course change it. You can type here wherever you want, click done, and then just take a photo. As you can see, there we get the watermark that this photo was taken on the Samsung smartphone with 48 megapixel mode, and it's shot by HardReset. When we go for the settings, we can also activate the location tags on the photos. So take a look when you enable locations and activate this option when you take a photo and go for the details in this photo. You'll get exact location where the photo was taken. In the smartphone, we can also find more modes. So there we got the super slow motion, and hyperlapse video. We got also the Pro mode, panorama mode, and there we got the food and the night mode. So when you are in the dark scenario, you can also use the night mode. Let me show you how it works. I'm going to turn off my light like that, and let me take a photo and take a look on the preview how it looks. It looks like that, and without this mode, take a look how it will be looks. As you can see, in this photo, our screen looks definitely brighter, and the desk also. Maybe it's not the good place to show you example of this kind of the photos, but you know, the photo will be definitely brighter with better colors. And when you go for the slow motion modes or super slow motion, We can also, make this slow videos like that. So right now when you're going to check how it looks, as you can see, it's slowed down on my hand. And the same happened when you use super slow motion video. Click and it will catch automatically. Move in front of your phone. Let's check how it looks. There it is, my hand. And it's definitely slower than the normal mode. And I think that's all. If you find this video helpful, remember to like, comment, and of course, subscribe to our channel.